friends, welcome back to my channel. We've got our first recipe video of 2026, and today we're going to make a Cheddar Bay biscuit topped chicken pot pie. It's a mouthful, but Lord is it good. I have a very basic chicken pot pie recipe that a lady that I worked with when I was 18 years old at the bank taught me how to make, and I am now 39 years old and I still swear by this recipe. Obviously, you're going to need some chicken. I just threw a chicken breast in the crock pot before I left for work. I put a little bit of liquid in there, but it's not necessary. The chicken makes its own liquid. So now that I'm home and ready to cook supper, I'm just going to take that chicken breast out, add a little bit of the liquid in, and then I'm going to shred it up. To my chicken breast, I'm going to add 2 cans of cream of potato soup. And just a little budget-friendly tip, you don't have to use the Campbell's brand. They're like $1.89 on sale. Walmart sells their own brand of cream of potato for 98 cents a piece. I just didn't have time to go by Walmart. Next, you want to add some mixed vegetables to this. I typically do a can of mixed vegetables drained, but I had a bag of frozen in the freezer, so I'm just going to use what I have. And just a little tip, don't be like me. Grab a bowl that's big enough to mix all of this in, because I had to transfer it to my dish, as you see. But give this all a really good mix. Add a little bit of milk in there to loosen it up and make it a little creamier. Once you've got it to the desired consistency, season it however you want to. I usually like to do a little bit of pepper. At this point, you want to go ahead and smooth it out into a nice even layer. And then we're going to take it and just set it aside and work on our biscuit mix. 1 box of Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits. If there is an off-brand that you want to use to make it a little cheaper, absolutely go ahead. I'm just going to make these according to package directions. I've got 1 pack of the biscuit mix, and then I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of water, and then we're going to go in with 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using the triple cheddar. You use whatever makes your little heart happy. Now give this a good mix, and then we're ready to top our pie filling with our biscuit dough. Now, if you want to drop these on top like regular biscuits, that's absolutely fine, but I just like to put it on top and then spread the biscuit dough out evenly. Now we're going to pop this in a 425-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until that biscuit dough is completely done. And while my pot pie is baking away in the oven and smelling my house up deliciously, I'm going to make some mac and cheese to go on the side. You can do whatever you want to, but mac and cheese has always been our go-to whenever I make chicken pot pie. Once the pot pie is almost done, I'm going to go ahead and make the garlic butter sauce. It's just 1/4 cup of butter and then the packet of seasoning that comes with the Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. Melt the butter, combine the seasoning, and get it all nice and yummy. And then we're going to pour it over the top of the pot pie when it comes out of the oven. Now we'll throw it back in the oven and let it bake for a few more minutes. My mac and cheese is done, my pot pie is done, and if you could smell through this video, you would want to come fix you a plate, because I'm telling you, my whole house smells absolutely amazing. This is a hearty, comforting, filling meal that we absolutely love. And to feed a family of 5, it cost me less than $15. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a video.